Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Hi, we are touring this fully furnished smart home for sale near Landers and Marquee Mall here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Welcome to Howie TV House Tour. Let's go. This house is 132 square meter lot area and 226 square meters floor area. Come in. Welcome. Okay, as we enter, you have your pocket garden right here. Very nice. And akit tayo dito, elevated area going to your entrance. Then here, you have your one carport with automated gate. Pwedeng malaking kotse at matangkad na kotse dito kasi very high ang ceiling niya. Once again, automated gate. Now let's enter your new house. Okay? Come in. So, smart door lock na rin siya since it's a smart house. Of course, makikita natin guys na very high ceiling. Check nyo yung detail ng chandelier niya, napakaganda. You have your TV area right here. I think yung sofa to follow, di ba? Hindi pa na-install nila. You have your air conditioning. You have your bar counter right here. Imagine having a breakfast here, di ba? And of course, yung dining to follow yan, pero kasama po yan since it's a fully furnished house. Dito yung dining area natin. I think 6 to 8 seater can fit comfortably. Then you have your kitchen dito, okay? You have your induction stove, range, your sink, and of course, your preparation counter right here. Ang daming storage, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Ito yung gusto ko sa house kasi mami-minimize natin yung clutter pag marami tayong storage. Pati sa taas, pati sa ilalim, storage. Dito naman yung ating double door refrigerator and more storage. Ayan. Pati sa breakfast counter may storage. Punta tayo ngayon dito sa service area. Yung service area natin, you have your dirty kitchen, yung sink, countertop, more storage, and dito may access doon sa inyong garage. Okay? Now, go back to the inside. You have big window dito. And of course, meron tayong space dito sa labas where you can chill. Di ba? May plants din tayo. And this door is a powder room. Ayan. Okay. Air conditioning, of course. And may I just point this out? Meron tayong storage dito under the floor. So, ayan. Smart idea. Now, let's go to the bedroom. May bedroom dito sa baba, okay? Bedroom number 1. It's a good-sized bedroom. Nandiyan yung bed nyo. Dito yung closet space. And of course, yung inyong air conditioning unit. Tapos, on this side, meron tayong bathroom. With rainfall shower. Ayan. Very, very nice. Ngayon punta tayo sa second floor. Let's go. Ang aliwalas niya guys, kasi big windows talaga. Even dito, meron tayong balcony space. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Ito yung front ng house. Diba? Napakamaliwalas. Then yung wall details natin guys, oh. Lighted siya. Upon landing sa inyong second floor, meron tayo ditong powder room, Actually, this is a full bathroom pala, sorry. Full bathroom with shower. And guys, tingnan nyo itong detail na to. Ito yung gusto ko sa mga houses because pasok. Well hidden yung inyong mga essentials, shampoo and all, di ba? Very nice. Bedroom number 2. Ayan, may air conditioning din. And of course, yung inyong closet space. Diba? Nice. Bedroom number 3. Ayan. Bed, closet space, and air conditioning. By the way, guys, just like the other room, may big window din tayo na pwedeng i-open for your natural light and ventilation. And the highlight of this house, for me, of course, is the master's bedroom. Itong master bedroom na to, very spacious. As you can see, very bright and airy. Diba? King-size bed. May space ka pa for your side table. May own balcony ka dito sa likod. Diba? Very nice. And this is where your TV will go. Of course. Storage. Your vanity. Hindi natin. Oh, vanity. And of course, guys, this house, once again, is a smart home. So it is equipped with your security cameras. Installed na rin siya. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? This is your walk-in closet. Ganda guys, no? Yung mga outfit nyo nandyan, di ba? Tapos clear siya so you can see what's inside. And of course, dito naman yung inyong mga watches, di ba? Mga accessories and all. And of course, your bathroom. Ang ganda dito kasi, you have your double sink, so his and her sink. Your toilet is right here. I believe this is an automatic toilet. And your shower. Ang ganda ng size ng shower, guys. Oh. Plus, my favorite part is the shampoo niche, ang tawag dyan. Okay? And another balcony. Ang presko dito, oh. Then, ayan, security camera dyan. And, malaki pa yung space dito. Look. Very nice. Now, let's do a recap. This house sits on 132 square meters lot area and 226 square meters of floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, automated gate, smart home, and all. And it's only 15,900,000 pesos. Imagine guys, all this for 15,900,000 pesos. If you're interested, you may contact me, Harold Olalia, at 0956-590-6988. Please follow our page, Live, Invest Properties, and Livetopia. Until next time, bye!